In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this OPPO theme. OPPO devices, especially new OPPO devices, are my favorite when it comes to changing theme, because they have a lot of free options. If you want to find perfect one and apply it, you need to start by tapping on Theme Store. It's already in your OPPO device. Then log in, and when you're ready, hit Home or Category at the bottom to access Themes sections at the top, and this way find a perfect one. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Either way, when you find perfect theme, I will go with this one. You can tap on Apply at the bottom and simply wait. After a few seconds, your new theme will be successfully applied. If you want to not only go back to your default one, but also find all of your downloaded content from Theme Store, you need to access it again. And this time select Me section at the bottom right corner. Now you can tap on Downloads to access all of your downloaded content. Or you can tap on My Resources on the left. Here, by tapping on Apply on Default Theme, you can go back to it. If you want to delete any downloaded content or access it, you can do that by looking for it here. And to get rid of it, by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, picking whatever you want to get rid of, and choosing Delete at the bottom. When you finished, just confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!